she likes, and she could put it all on you, baby. If you bout that life, because you don't got time to choose it.
Hey tribe, it's Kia from Heritage 93. So it's a new year and your nails are getting their glow on thanks to all your efforts from your consistent nail care routines. And of course, you're still showing your nails the love they deserve, undersides included. Now, once the oil goodness fully absorbs, you may be thinking it's time to polish them. It's been a while, right? So this video goes out to all the girls who don't go beauty supply shopping too often, but when you do, you usually go straight for the nail care aisle. That's what I did, and I stumbled upon a company that I know and recognize and use for my other body care needs. So in my trek through the nail care aisle, I noticed Pacifica has nail polishes. Resultantly, I snatched a few up, and in this one, I'm sharing my honest review. Ready to go? Let's get started. So what really made me stop and stare was the 7 free label, which is something I hadn't exactly seen before. Y'all know my kryptonite is toxin-free nail care, plus this is both vegan and cruelty-free. Now, as far as what I got, I grabbed the Milky Prime and Protect Nourishing Undercoat, this color appropriately called Pretty and Pink, and a glossy clear base and top coat that is also 7 free. Now, starting with the Milky Undercoat, I applied it to the undersides of my nails first, sealing in the nourishing effects of that cuticle oil. And then painting it on like normal onto my bare nail plate. Now that that's done and dry, I'm applying my base coat of clear. To the undersides, of course. It's so satisfying to see the undersides so shiny. And then onto my nails. I really didn't want to suffer the effects of staining, and light polishes have stained my nails in the past, so as cute as this pink is, I didn't want to take any chances. At any rate, I applied one coat of Pretty and Pink on Pinky and then onto the rest of the girls. But somehow I always think I can move around with my wet nails, so there's that. But the good news is that a second coat of this color and that sealing gloss coat was enough to cover the accident like nothing happened. You know, my polish job could have been a little better, but this baby pink was still so super cute. It gets the thumbs up from me, plus the girls cleaned up very nicely for these aftertakes. Now, of the three, I enjoyed them all, but I really appreciated that Prime and Protect Nourishing Undercoat. It works well in this 3-part process and on its own as a milky sheer finish to brighten up your natural nails. I definitely enjoyed the results of using this one on my bare nails by itself as well. So yes, I hope you all enjoyed this Pacifica has entered the nail care aisle type swatch and learn, and found this one helpful in the event you've been curious about trying another toxin-free brand for your natural nail care needs. As always, thank you guys so much for watching and engaging. Take care and happy nail painting. I will see you soon in the next one.